Okay, I decided to control the front star instead of the back star because the front star doesn't have those contrails and those switching power supplies. So we should be banging out some CW here. Let's see, we're across the street here. And there's the star in all its glory. Let's see here. Hopefully that's clean code. Okay, that's the end of that message. It should start another one here pretty soon. Maybe yes, maybe no. Here we go. My arm's getting tired. Sure looks good though. Okay, that's the end of that message. I'm going to stop the video.